My name is Felix Straßburger. I work at GHH Fahrzeuge. GHH Fahrzeuge builds loaders and dump trucks for underground use in mining and tunneling. At our company, the VR tool is used in different project phases. First, in an early project phase in which we design the cabin. Here, the overview for the driver from the cabin is checked and optimized. The second use case for GHH is ergonomics optimization. Here, the focus is to optimally arrange the individual controls within the cabin so that they are easily visible and accessible. In the engineering application, it has become clear that the tool gives us the opportunity to identify problems more quickly. The other big advantage for us is that we can save a lot of time and money because there is no need to build an expensive mockup. From personal experience, I can say that the tool is easy and intuitive to use. Both the application is easy to understand and importing models is straightforward. Even with complex and large models, this was no problem. If you use the tool on a laptop, it is suitable for mobile use, such as during meetings or when working from home.